Chilliz is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that generally has a genuinely present worth of $0.077806 and a market capitalization of $588,612,075. Digital currencies explicitly have sort of lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a genuinely significant way. These days, it's a resource class that fundamentally is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in a huge manner. Some especially huge venture banks, even in a real sense, procure Chilliz and extremely other digital forms of money as a group to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which truly is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to by and large uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that basically depend on the readings of our fundamentally extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that certainly assists us with measuring the market opinion and generally expect where in which the market plans to go, or so they basically thought. At this point, the cost of Chilliz truly is $0.077806, while the coin as of now ends up at 65th spot in the fundamentally generally speaking positioning, which is genuinely critical. The said in every practical sense, positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's kind of present value, that in a real sense is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients especially get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which is very huge. It's likewise essential to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On November 14, the cost of Chilliz truly was at $0.080062 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.38%, which for the most part is very huge. 7 days prior, on November 8, CHZ in every practical sense was esteemed at $0.077885, which sort of intends that from that point forward, the cost has especially changed by 0% in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on October 15, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.055860. In this manner, the coin has taken a 39.29% action to really arrive at its certainly present standings, showing how at this point, the cost of Chilliz is $0.077806, while the coin as of now generally winds up at 65th spot in the general positioning, which truly is very huge. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology sort of is utilized to really decide the general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Changes in market capitalization truly certain or quite negative generally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and long-haul viewpoints in an unobtrusive manner. This truly specific extremely metric especially is likewise used to check the predominance of Chilliz corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unpretentious manner. To for the most part decide the exceptionally current market capitalization of CHZ, we by and large duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will be basically made sense of later by the for the most part present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz truly remains at $588,612,075, which frames the reason for truly present truly positioning basically was referenced before in a by and large significant manner. Yesterday, on November 14, CHZ for the most part had a market capitalization of $605,675,773, showing that at this point, the cost of Chilliz really is $0.077806, while the coin presently truly winds up at 65th spot in the by and large for the most part positioning in an unpretentious manner. Keep going week, on November 8, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to fundamentally was recorded at $589,208,088, which generally is genuinely huge. A month prior, on October 15, the market worth of Chilliz really was surveyed to be $417,728,286, which most certainly is very huge. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These digital currencies can generally be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This very metric additionally figures the coins that fundamentally have been eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which really is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, in every practical sense, all-out supply of Chilliz generally is laid out at 888 CHZ, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Finally, the flowing stockpile basically is utilized to for the most part ascertain the market capitalization and in every way that really matters, survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of CHZ that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use out of the blue. Exhibiting how the examination of market capitalization especially conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors in a quite large manner. It's by and large in a real sense accepted that digital currencies that basically have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million fundamentally are the most appropriate for especially long-haul speculation, since they essentially are generally genuinely prone to in a real sense value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, Chilliz explicitly has a circling supply of 7,565,079,839 coins, showing how in conclusion, the coursing supply truly is utilized to fundamentally compute the market capitalization and really evaluate the coin's sort of current remaining in the positions, which truly is very critical. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the place of $76,197.26 in a sort of significant manner. Yesterday, on November 14, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame most certainly remained at $97,334,589, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on November 8, how much CHZ that generally was traded between market members for the most part was assessed at $58,829,598 in an unpretentious manner. Presently especially comes an opportunity to fundamentally make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost forecast model that permits us to especially predict the way that Chilliz will basically follow over the course of the following 1 to 5 years, which by and large is genuinely huge. CVIX truly is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with an especially novel recipe for checking and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Chilliz cost.